Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are over here soaking up the beautiful sunshine in front of the Gulf.
That's right.
Over at Watercrest.
Yes, beautiful condominium.
So it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, undergone some renovations in the bathroom and the kitchen. You don't have to worry about carpet.
None throughout. And it's all modern, updated, what we would expect for current times.
Okay, and I think turnkey ready. So if someone wanted to live here, they wanted to have their own little beach getaway,
Absolutely.
or if you wanted to get that vacation rental income, we'd be happy to give you numbers on that as well.
Don't forget to tell them about the balcony.
Yes.
Westward facing
Yes.
views. You get the sunsets inside and on that balcony, overlooking this beach with the water sounds to die for.
And I think it's a corner unit, so it's a little bit more spacious.
Yes.
They've got a pool, other amenities that you might expect from this beautiful Gulf front.
That's
Over
right.
on the east end of the beach, close to St. Andrews State Park, lots of really great restaurants over here. Beautiful, beautiful place just to relax in. Priced under $450, can't beat it.
That's right.
If you like this, we'd love to show it to you. Give us a call.
And if you'd like more information, look in the description below because the listing link is right there. You can get more details about the listing, photos included.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Make sure you ring that bell. Don't miss out on any hot properties like this one.